Hello, I just washed my hair, so there is not a lot I can do, and this is the dry in the turban face. That means my face is nice and clean, and there is no hair around. So I thought I might practice a little bit of model makeup because I am invited to shoot by a photographer and his wife photographer who have a home studio. Since I don't fit their gown, I have my own gown in the color they requested, and I'm doing my own makeup. But it has been a while. So first I start out with doing bases. In the early days I just did my day cream. It's good enough, your skin can stand it, it's good for your skin, so why change? But since I got rosacea, which causes some redness, I have this base, which is green and makes the red a little bit less. So I'm going to put that on. This is without the bases, and I'm going to put it on now. By the way, it's from Pupa. Anyway, I just came across it and it worked for me. But you don't have to have a certain brand. If you have a nice basis which works for you, either it's green or just a simple day cream, that's okay. For if you want to keep it all day, you might take a look at stuff which is really a makeup base, which holds the makeup better and longer. Well, I might as well film it in case I need it. I'm still, as I said, I only film the things I'm doing anyway, so this is not costing extra time. And I don't have a mirror. I just simply use the telephone. Oh, I did not realize I should use a mirror, but this works fine also. Not for small details, of course. This is for a more mature skin, so it's very nicely moisturizing, and it's officially also indeed a special base for makeup. My skin still feels a little bit dry, so I'm adding some more splash. But it's still on my hand, so okay. And again, I have a dispenser which doesn't work anymore. But I have enough. I'm going to go here. Before the shoot, I'll also have to remove some fluffy hairs, etc., so the makeup takes better. So this is it now with base. Now, because it has been quite some time since I had a real foundation on my face, except for the Vulcan, but I had to make that extremely light because I was a zombie Vulcan. So I got those who were nearest. That means that probably I used them last. And the trick for foundation is there are a lot of things going around. So test it here because that is the same color of your face. Test it here. But you already see this here is paler than my face. I have learned from a Mua makeup artist. It's not very nice if you have to do that in a store, but you can work around it by having Q-Tex with you. So you can take a tester and put it on the Q-Tex and then smear a little bit here on your cheek line, because the best foundation should be that you only have to use it to here, and then it forms a natural coloring with the rest of your neck and neckline, etc. So you want to have something that you stripe here. So for hygienic reasons, just take Q-tips spray on them, so there is no contact of your skin or your fingers with the tester. And it looks kind of weird, but it saves you of buying a lot of foundation which you can't use. And if you work hygienically, I don't think the people in the store would mind. So now I have nearest were these, which I already shown in a video, of which the pump did not work anymore. And I also saw this one near, satiny finish, light porcelain. So just to show you a little bit, I'm going to put one here and one here, and then you can see which one blends in the best with the rest of my neck. Let's see. Problem is, because I transferred it, I now don't know anymore what it was. So if I have to buy it again, Lord, I have to watch back the video so I remember which brand and which color it is. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should rub it out here, as you can see. Well, for photo makeup you need a foundation which covers a lot more, because a flash etc. will take away a lot of the covering. But as you can see, look, not bad, isn't it? I think that might still be the correct one, because your skin tone changes through time and through the seasons. So if you want to be correct with it, you better have several that are close to your skin color. And then, you see. Change it when needed, when your skin color changes. Okay. Here we have this, which is, I think, almost the same, as you can see. And here we have this one, which is not bad also. So I understand why they were standing close. There is not that much difference in it, I think. Maybe this one. Although, of course, this one is more covering, I think. So maybe... Oh, so difficult to decide. They're both okay. You know, maybe I should just simply put one half of my face with this one and one half of my face with this one. And then we will see, maybe they're almost the same, although the coloring is a little bit different. As you can see, this is a little bit lighter and this is a little bit more brownish, and this is delicate pinkish. But I really don't know. Just we'll do a half face. Okay, now I'm used to working with these, but they are hard to come by nowadays because everybody has a beauty blender. And I don't know. But what I might try also is this side of my face with something I'm not used to but is modern. And this side of my face with something I'm used to. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but let's do it this way, like I'm used to. Okay, ooh. I'm not going towards my forehead because my pony will fall over it. I think I have way too much. Excuse me, but I'm going to remove. Oh, or I could do so as such a YouTube video, you know, with the people who smear lots of foundation on it, and it looks fantastic, but they are a dupe. No, I'm going to remove some stuff. My thumb is still clear. I hate makeup, but okay. Now let's go for the beauty, what was it? The trendy thing. Okay, let's see. I understand the appeal because the roundness makes it possible. Keep in mind that I'm not using a mirror, so I might do a little bit mistakes. make a little bit of mistakes because I don't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just not in the mood to get dig up mirror. So okay, I think that's a nice base. And now look here and here. It also almost seems natural. I think I need a little bit more here. As I said, I'm not using a mirror, so I'm just simply looking into the lens. Okay. This is kind of medium cover now, and I think for a shoot it should be a little bit more heavy, but as long as I have the right color, I'm not doing that right now, but during the shoot I will do that. As you can see, this is kind of how it should be. And I must say, maybe I'm using the Beauty Blender the wrong way, but it works nicely. So now let's go to the other side, where I used the Dream Satin Liquid Light Porcelain. Okay. Just general. You're going to rub it out anyway with, I think this. Okay, then the material of this one is kind of the same as your Beauty Blender. As I said, they are not findable anymore, so maybe I have to get used to the Beauty Blender. But as I said, the triangle also takes care of getting into the corners. So it's kind of a early model of Beauty Blender. By the way, all my makeup has been taught in a different area. So I have seen the current trends, but that was not kind of the way that I learned it. But when I develop the rest of my makeup, we will see where that leads us. Okay. Whoa, I'm still not certain. This makes me look a little bit more pale, and for historical I would say that would be a nice one. This one makes me look a little bit more modern, but I think the difference is a little bit too brownish. I think this one is creating a more equal look than this. This seems like I have brown here in my face, but not here. And here it's just pale. So I'm going to go for the shoot for this one. But as I said, then it will be a little bit more covered, almost completely covered. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe or react, and thank you for watching. Bye!